set of sigma is represented, for example, this contains a symbols is 0 1. Okay, so if I wish to represent a binary language, okay, so in case of binary language, only these 0 and 1s are being used. Okay, so here non-terminal is the sigma, and these two symbols are terminal symbols usually. These two symbols are terminal symbols. Okay, so here this you need to understand. Simple regular expression are notation and symbol. There are two types of symbols here you be used: terminals and non-terminals. Terminals are referred as small face, non-terminals are referred as bold face. The example is sigma. Sigma is set of alphabet, and which contains 0 and 1 if you take it's a binary language, and this is called terminal and non-terminal symbols itself. Okay, now again one more important thing which we need to consider is that if you have a language, then language has two important inherent points which you need to understand. Right? What are they? They are called as set of alphabets. Okay. Now by alphabets, I means the symbols uh, uh, that are allowed in a language, right? That are allowed. And the most important second thing is called as grammar. Okay. Now grammar is nothing but a rule. Right. So this rule, please try to understand. This rule is applied onto what this particular symbol. So, as a matter of fact, here when we consider regular expression is nothing but systematic way for generation of symbols. Okay. Okay. When I say systematic way, it means it is driven. It is derived, or it can be easily presented, right? Or you can easily define. To really prepare the words, then it must be prepared in some systematic way, and that systematic way must be a common way that is to be adopted, irrespective of the person who is generating that words. Okay, so regular expression is a systematic way of generation of the symbols, and this is being done into this particular way. Okay, so now uh, let us go for next now. So whenever you are going with the regular expression, now important thing is we understand that this regular expression is defined over terminals. This is defined over terminals, right? Since they are small face, they cannot be substituted. They cannot be substituted. Okay, means if you are referring to symbol A is A itself, right? So you cannot substitute A is A itself. Okay, but if you like to say that if you have a language L, which is based on set of alphabet sigma, such that sigma is containing A. So the words that are being generated by on this particular A alphabet is A only, right? And which we have already seen into the rules. Okay, so in order to so